Do you know that your iTero intraoral scanner is also an intraoral camera? Let me show you how to take advantage of this. So first, find your patient and click in the viewer option. Click in the icon with the molar and the magnifying glass, and it's going to appear a new option in the right side of your image. So bring the magnifying glass to the area that you want to see, and the image that is at the bottom is a real image of your patient. So you can zoom in, and this is exactly a real image of the actual situation of your patient. So if you have doubts about color, about composite, about cavity, about something, just come here, zoom in, and you can show to the patient what is going on in that exactly area. Also, you can modify the brightness, the color, so you can see it better and demonstrate to the patient in a better quality what you want to demonstrate. So take advantage of this option and start to demonstrate the patient all the possibilities of your intraoral scanner. If you want to know more about this option and more, click in the link below.